Hey everyone, welcome back to Graphic Design. We're in week 4. Your weekly preview for this week. In the beginning of the week, we're going to start by watching some tutorials on GIMP and Pixlr. I want you guys to start getting familiar with these programs. So watching the tutorials and then answering the questions that follow. You're going to also do a practice assignment, starting with some of the basic tools introduced during the tutorials, and complete that assignment, submitting that in. Later this week, we're going to be discussing our target audience. There is a video showing you how to find your target audience and introducing that to you. Then also at the end of the week, we have a project where you guys are going to practice addressing a target audience and gearing your project towards that audience. If you guys have any questions throughout the week as you work, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And I hope you guys have an awesome week. Take care.